Welcome to Franklin's Lab A3, your anytime, anywhere, anyplace application for exploring the basics of electrical circuits. Let's learn more about its functions and features in this video. When you launch the application, you'll see the breadboard. This is your workspace to run your experiments and observe current flow. On the top right is your inventory, full of different types of batteries, wires, resistors, lights, motors, and switches. Using the center stylus button or the left mouse button, drag items from the inventory onto the breadboard to create circuits. By flipping on this switch, the circuit turns on. Electric currents are represented by the moving colored dots. The more red, the higher the current flow. The more yellow, the lower the current flow. Hover over models to see readings on the multimeter. When you have a model on the breadboard, you can click on the View Schematic button to see a 2D diagram or schematic of your circuit. You can also export the schematic as a PDF. By hovering over an object and pressing the right stylus button or clicking the right mouse button, you turn on the model's context menu. Context menus give you access to additional tools and functions. When you select Flip Polarity for the motor, it will spin in the opposite direction. When you select Brake for the motor, it gives you options on different ways to brake this model. Clicking Workbench will move you to the Workbench scene. Here you can fix and test any broken models. You will have an inventory of different parts to replace within your model. Use the tester in the Workbench to determine whether a model is broken or fixed. The following features are also available in our other zSpace A3 applications. You can use the toolbar on the left to move objects, draw on the scene, make text boxes, and add lines. You can change your view using these tools. The edit bar above the breadboard allows you to reset the scene, undo and redo, cut, copy, paste, clear all models on the breadboard, and delete individual objects. The main menu bar on the very top lets you save or load a scene, edit settings, open ZView, and exit. Ready to use an existing activity in Franklin's Lab A3? To launch an activity, open the Activity Gallery. Type into the search bar or filter through the various subjects. Once you have found the activity you want to use, select it to open it. Use the arrows to move through the pages of the activity. Read through the pages for more information and questions to answer. Once you're done, select the Finish flag and enter your name and class. You can save your work as a PDF or copy and paste it into another application. You can also create and modify your own activities in Franklin's Lab A3 using the Slide Deck Builder. Here you can create and modify scenes, add notebook pages, create different types of questions, and add definitions. When you're done creating, you can save it as an activity to be used with Franklin's Lab A3 by saving it as an FLA3 file. Or you can save it as a slideshow in a PDF format. These files can be shared to any device, with or without Franklin's Lab A3. Be sure to check out resources at zspace.com/edu to find out more, including keyboard shortcuts. Have fun exploring!